If you've got hard to reach windows like this one, we've got the best window squeegee kit with a microfiber scrubber and a squeegee and a telescoping pole that helps you get even higher. This is the best kit to get your windows done. Let me show you how. With my bucket and window cleaning solution, I'm ready to go. And I can quickly switch out to my squeegee. That easy. Our all-purpose window cleaning kit is a great deal right now to jump on when you can clean all your windows inside and out with the extension pole like I showed you, with the scrubber that you can use our Easy Clean with, and our squeegee to finish off to give you that really streak-free window. You've got to get our all-purpose window cleaning kit for only $19.99. This is a must-have for every home. You'll love it.